Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how can we sort a list of dictionaries by a certain value based on the dictionary. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So let's understand a simple example. We have a list stored over here of the variable name as data, and there are certain dictionary data present in it, and we want to sort these dictionaries on the basis of the name key, and the sorting format will be in normal alphabetically order. So if we see in the first dictionary item, Mike is present, and after that the name Homer is present. So when we sort this list, the output would change. First, the name Homer would be present, and after that, the name Mike would be present since it's following the alphabetic order. So the most common method of doing it is using the sorted function. So basically, we will be making use of the inbuilt sorted function given by Python. So first thing is what we will do is we'll create a new list, and let's name it as new list, and now we'll call the sorted function. And the sorted function first takes in a data structure that needs to be sorted. So we will pass in the data structure that is data taken from the data variable top here. And now we will make use of a parameter called as key, and key parameter is really useful because it allows the user to change the property in which he/she would like the data to be sorted. So we want the data to be sorted in the order of the key name. So what we are going to do is we are going to take in and create a function that will help us to do this, and the key parameter always takes in function calls as its equating assignment. So what we'll do is we'll create a simple function, and I'll call it as get priority. So get priority, and this function will simply tell us what is the priority in which the data needs to be sorted. So let me put in a data argument inside the function creation, and now all I need to do is I need to return data, and inside that we are enlisting or slicing the key name. So we are telling that the priority for sorting the data of the key name. So it's as simple as that, and now I need to equate key to the get priority function, and that's it. All I need to do is now print the data. So if all I need to type is print new list, print it, and as you can see, the output is visible on the output window, where first name is present as Homer, and then the next object's name is present as Mike. Let's say if we want to change the priority of sorting on the basis of the age, that is possible too. We simply need to change the key as age, and now if I run this, as you can see, now the object having the name Mike appears first, since his age is 10, and that is smaller than the age of Homer, whose age is 39. Likewise, instead of making use of a function, we can make use of lambda function, that is, they are inline functions. So to do that, all we need to do is type in the keyword lambda, and now what I'll say is data colon data, and inside the slicing parameters I will type in the name keyword. So basically what we are saying is we want to assign data to its priority of data having the key name. And if I run this, the output is pretty much the same. The data is sorted in alphabetically order on the basis of the key name. So that's it from this video. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel, and we'll be back soon with more fun and interesting videos.